Hi, all, good morning. I'm going to share my screen. Is everyone able to see my screen and able to hear?
Yes, bro.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. And in the previous class, like we have completed the boost graph. Today, we are going to start about the JavaScript one. How we'll be just like doing all the things, something like how we'll be handling each and everything. It means something like JavaScript, what is JavaScript, and why we need to go with that, and how the execution context should be working. That now like we'll be seeing today. You guys also can create the new folder with the name as a JavaScript. Name as a JavaScript. And um, up to now nowadays, like we have seen about the Notepad plus plus. From today, I'm going to explain about the VS Code. This is the one tool which we will be using for to do all the JavaScript practice. What is JavaScript and why we need to use it and what not syntactical things and all like how we'll be writing it. These are not like examples. I'm going to show you guys something like how you can create the variables, how you can print the value, different types of ways, and as well as how we'll be just like doing it. These are not like how we'll be just like doing it. Let's see, like I'm going to explain that now things today. One, wherever you have created the folder inside our Angular October in the JavaScript folder, I'm going to open a command prompt that is a CMD with the name as a code space dot. And if you put as a code space dot in the command prompt, it will be opening the Visual Studio Code with the same new folder. The same new folder. You need to test it. Now there's no any files available. There's no files are available. Sorry, there's no files are available. So that I'm going to create. This is the new file here. You can create the new file called JavaScript developer. Okay. That txt. I put it as extension. This is an text file. This is an text file. It's in JavaScript class 1. First, we need to understand. First, we need to understand what is JavaScript. First, we need to understand what is JavaScript and why we need to learn it. What is JavaScript and why we need to learn the things. Why we need to learn the things. I can say JavaScript is the world's most popular language, and this is an programming language of the web. It's an programming language of the web. We'll be writing for something like purpose of what is JavaScript and why we need to use it. This is not like I can say it. Actually, why we said about the web elements, it means something like whatever we'll be writing in the Chrome or just like in the HTML page or anywhere, like it will be working with the help of something like Java. I mean, like a web browser. That's why like, you can consider as a it is a JavaScript will be considering as a web web purpose. It's the purpose of web in the sense something like it's an web browser. We can take it. Web browser. We can take it. Okay, and in the JavaScript, there are the several versions which is available to do the execution. In the JavaScript, there are several versions are available to do the any type of execution. I can say it. Any type of execution, I can say it. Any type of execution, we can easily do it. And JavaScript is an single threaded language. But we can learn in multi-threading, uh, multitasking with the help of async, wait, set mode, set intervals. This one are like we can make it an easily to do with the I mean like multiple tasking purpose. We can easily do with this. Now we will get it out. Why JavaScript name is came to the picture? We have Java already, and I can say something like JavaScript and Java both are completely different, completely different languages. In both concepts as well as design. Both the concept as well design. And JavaScript, which is invented by JavaScript, which is invented by Beldenich in 1995. And the ECMA standard started on 1997. With this JavaScript is started on the 1997, which is just like ECMAScript started on the 1997. And now you will get it out why we need to learn the JavaScript. Why we need to learn the JavaScript. and how it will be getting compiled and what are the different steps are available to do the just like multiple execution context and just like how will we do all the things something like to running and things just like do all type of things what all types are available and how we can do it. Okay, for example, what is HTML? It's a web browser. Whatever you want to show in the graphical user interface, GUI, graphical user interface, graphical user interface. That is done for the purpose of web browser. And CSS, what is the purpose of it? To make the website as colorful and as well as responsive. Whereas the booster mainly to create an responsive design, grid system, with advanced CSS. Now we'll get it out. How we can make it functional? How we can make the functional? How we can make the functional without the JavaScript? Now in this case, JavaScript is came into the picture to make an functional things like calling to the API, saving the data, read files, and working with collections, arrays, objects. We have several types of available things are available. With these things, something like we can easily interact with the multiple file systems or multiple databases or any type of thing, something like it's a possibility available. And whereas the compiler process, suppose if you compare with any other language and this language, for example, let's take the Java compiler, what it will do? Java compiler internally. And in JavaScript, no compilation required. It's an interpreted language. It executes a step-by-step procedure. And browser, any doubt up to now? While understanding the JavaScript, what is JavaScript and why it is like? And now I'm going to tell about why JavaScript. It is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex algorithms and as well as makes web pages more dynamic and user friendly. User friendly. So that respond to visitors, visitor actions, any type of things like user actions or just like we can make it more interactive as well. More interactiveness. This and all like it's possible with the help of our JavaScript and and you can get it out. Why JavaScript has this much demand? I can say something like the default language of the internet is a JavaScript. Like the default internet, I mean like default language of the internet itself as JavaScript. That's why like it's a more demand. I can say it. So to do any operation on the browser, since browsers are necessary part of any users, any users online experience. And let's go for the advantages and disadvantages with this. First thing is something like It is just like, because whatever we'll be writing with the JavaScript does. Whichever the functionality it might be, like whichever the things it might be. Yes, yes, it's an interpreted language. It doesn't have to compile it. But if you take any other language, compilation is mandatory. And with the help of these things, like debugging also more faster. Debugging also more faster with this, like as well as it's a client-side scripting language. Next advantage is simplicity. Designed for ground up just like it's an easy to learn it and just like you can easily implement it, I can say it like. I can say something like with that is like interoperability. It's it is something like it works with other program. Even like any programming language, it's supportable. Like it can be used anywhere. I can say it. And popularity, I can say some of the use cases like where, like most of the cases, like it's usable. As I know, I will mention some of the things like where it can be server-side programming with Node.js. In the Node.js also inbuiltly it will use the JavaScript most of the cases, and like with the help of class platform. Mobile application development, and, and as well as desktop framework. like such as electron. I can say this electron it will be coming under in our Angular to create an desktop application that is with the help of our electron. Reduce server load because like it will be I mean like loaded in the browser. That's why like rich interfaces. What's it? And we can say something like versatile in the sense something like in the both front end and web development as well is useful. Okay, this is the advantages, and there are some of the disadvantages are available. If you go with the something like answer security basis, yes, is developed for clients, because like everyone can something like see the things about I can say it. Something like gain access later. Systems are just like to damage or any other process. So these are all things like it will become a security, I can say. In some cases, something like browser inconsistency. This is not some of the disadvantages, something like I can say it, like which is available with the JavaScript. I can say it. Any doubts up to now? Like I mean, like what is JavaScript and why, and what are the disadvantages and advantages? If any doubts, you guys can please ask, like so that I can go ahead. Okay, there is no doubt. I can go with the like JavaScript where to use it. I can say something like, in this case, the script tag came to the picture. Script tag Is come to the picture. Script tag come to the picture. In the HTML page, JavaScript code is inserted between open and close tags. This is the open and close tags, like will be just like I can say. It is the help of that we can be inserting it. Let me show some of the example, like how script will be putting it. And I'm going to create something like JavaScript sample thing. As a sample thing, like how we can create it. For example, like with the help of, okay. One type of HTML, that is for the current to the browsers, like how we'll be writing the content. And then I'm going to write down something like by ID. JavaScript demo. Let's write whatever I have mentioned about the script tag. Do close. I'm going to write down here something like, for now I'm going to write something like document detail by ID. Dot inner HTML. If you want to see in the browser, in our like VS Code, there are, we can install that live server. And as in a simple JavaScript, like however the HTML, like we are able to see it, like that way also, like we can show it, cheat. Like either way in the, I mean like folder, and we can open the browser or something like. If you right click on a particular file and open with the live server, if you install this package, you can easily open with the live server. With the, it's open here, and whichever I have written something like document.getInvite ID with the help of something like with what are the content I have written in something like my first syntax of JavaScript in the script tag, it's auto getting loaded with the help of JavaScript. The help of JavaScript. If I'm refreshing it, I have put it as a breakpoint in the left side, like we can put the breakpoint anywhere, and if you hover it, like it will be showing. And if you see now, this document means something like what are the total HTML, I mean like browser document will be available, a document body, this and all, like it will be considering as one document. This is not like it will be considering as one document. We are getting the element based on the particular ID, so that like whichever the paragraph like is available, from that like it will be getting finded, and we can update the content with the help of either inner HTML or inner text or some other things, like in a different manner. We can easily do it something like what are the content you want to update it. We can easily update the thing something like I can say. That is a way of like how we can write our script tag in a particular script tag, how we can write in our JavaScript. and and in the like old, I mean like old JavaScript are just like example, like we can in the old versions or somewhere something like we were specifying something like the script type is on textual JavaScript. Like that, like before in the old versions, it was specifying it. And what is the JavaScript functions and events? And I can say something like the function itself just like black of the code. The JavaScript function is a block of code, a block of JavaScript code that executed when called for executes when called for. Whenever like if that function is getting called, you can easily do the thing something like to execute the particular function code. What is the content you want to update it? You can easily do with that. Whichever the content like we want to do it, I can easily do it. That is the function. And the functions are like later I will going to explain it, just like I have just said, that is one type of it. And as well as with the JavaScript in either you can write in the both the ways. And body. It means something like either in the head tag or a body tag, and you can replace any number of script tags, scripts in an HTML document. There's no limitation for the putting a particular JavaScript script tags. Like how many number of you need, you can put it either in the body or in the head section. You can put it, and both the cases. And I'm going to add a simple thing to just like see how looks like. Sample one, I'm creating it. Related to that, like, just like something like I mean, like paragraph got changed. This one, like I'm going to do with the help of something like we're triggering some function. I'm going to write in some function inside the script tag. Something like paragraph change. We can do with the help of something. This is the block of which of the JSON places that will be opening it. That we can consider as a particular JavaScript function. And here I'm going to write a particular click event to just like call that function. button type as a button or just like normal thing like I write it. And here I'm writing and try it. I try on it or something like anything. I'm going to write and click on. So many will be there like on change or on click or anything. Just like I'm going that one. Let's see like how it looks like. If I'm clicking on here like paragraph got changed, it's got updated, right? This is not like how it's happening. This is not like tomorrow we'll be going to see it. If there is any doubts, up to now like simple like how we'll write the like what is the JavaScript and why we need to use it and how we'll write the syntaxes and all. Okay. Hope there is no doubt. We can wind up the class for today and we can continue tomorrow. Thank you so much, Allah, for joining. We'll meet you all tomorrow.